Alright, welcome back. So, my package finally got here from Amazon, and I'm gonna open it up and see what I ordered. I ordered a few things, but let's see. Pretty sure I know what it is. I think it's my ink toner. I was printing some stuff the other day, and well, it said low toner. I need a toner, so I just ordered something off Amazon. And it got here pretty quick, so let's see. See. Yep, there it is. It's my ink toner. It's the drum and all this other stuff. This isn't my first time ordering this, but it's just kind of a pain when you have to order something. I had some documents I had to print out, and they didn't come out as expected, and then they didn't have it at the store, so I just went to Amazon and bought it, my ink toner. So I'll make another video of me installing it, but for now, that's what I ordered. Yellow packaging, ink toner for my Brother printer, and see you guys in the next one.